Hello everyone, it's Kate and Weather here. Today I'm just gonna be giving you an update on the tropics. The tropics are very active right now. We have lots of storms right now in the tropics, including a hurricane, Category 1 hurricane right now called Hurricane Douglas. This is a very big thing in the tropics right now. Give you the exact details on that, and also all the other tropical storms going on right now. We have tropical storm Gonzalo, and we also have Disturbance 1, which has a 70% chance of formation. Have all the details on all these coming up in today's video, so stay tuned. But starting off right now, we do have Douglas, which is actually getting very close to Hawaii and is going to bring downpours to Hawaii. If you live in Hawaii, um, just be prepared for lots of heavy rain and storms. Just giving you a heads up, Hawaii. But this is the current information on Hurricane Douglas. We're going to start off with this. Maximum sustained winds was 70 knots, 80 miles per hour. Minimum central pressure was 989 millibars, located at, you can see the latitude, longitude numbers there, and the movement was west at 14 knots and 16 miles per hour. So that's the current information as of 11 a.m. Hawaiian Standard Time. So yes, that is Hurricane Douglas. Now, before I give you the track on all that, I'm gonna show you everything else. So Disturbance 1 has a 70% chance of formation, and Tropical Storm Gonzalo, which has a maximum sustained winds of 50 miles per hour, 45 knots, 100 millibars of the central pressure minimum. Those are latitude longitude numbers, and the movement was west at 12 knots or 14 miles per hour. But let's waste no time here and get the information on the hurricane. So Hurricane Douglas. Now I want to go ahead and show you all the tracks, the live infrared satellite for Hurricane Douglas right here. So this is the live infrared satellite loop here. So as you see, wow, you can definitely see that rotation there, moving, just moving, moving right there. As you can see, look at that. Really, you can just really see that rotation really easily there, moving counterclockwise right there. That is the center of the storm right there. You see all this black and purple. That means really strong rain. So yes, this is going west towards Hawaii. So Hawaii, you guys do need to be prepared for heavy rainfall and lots of storms. So that is the live infrared satellite for that storm. Now let's get into the track on where it will go at what time. So this are the two tracks. So Douglas is expected to move near or over portions of the Hawaiian Islands this weekend. There's an increasing chance that strong winds and heavy rainfall could affect portions of the state beginning on Sunday. So yes, that is information. So Hawaii, you guys are going to be hit by this storm here, but it is going to weaken. It's not going to be a hurricane. It should not be a hurricane by the time it hits Hawaii. So that's a good thing. So again, this is its track here. So you can see by 11 a.m. Wednesday, which I think we already passed that mark here. Yes, it would be right here. And as you can see, all those H's there, it's kind of hard. It's a little bit blurry, but all those H's there mean hurricane. And we see it, this S right here, it turns into an S by the time it hits Hawaii, which is a very good thing. So Hawaii, you guys will get way less of super strong storms as it is right now. So you guys will not get as bad as it is right now. But yes, you can see that is its track. And if you see this mark right here, that's going to get less strong and even less strong as it goes further out. Now let's go and take a look here at the arrival time of winds. So again, this is what I'm talking about. This is a very good example of what I mean by it getting way less stronger. So as you see, look at this purple here. That indicates really strong and heavy rain in that purple right there. And you see that really just calms down. Look, Hawaii's even only in the green there, but that doesn't mean you won't get anything either. So um, don't be like, oh, we won't get anything, because you guys can still get lots of strong storms and heavy rainfall. So now that is the track. Now let's go and take a look here at all the other tropics here. So again, as we go and take this back here just a little bit, that is Hurricane Douglas there. We also have a lot of other things. We have Tropical Storm Gonzalo, which is near South America here. So again, I gave you all that information. So let's go and take a look here at the live infrared satellite for Tropical Storm Gonzalo. As you see, it's way less strong than Hurricane Douglas was, and you can see not so much of that counterclockwise spin there, a lot less. It is spinning, but it's harder to see here. And yes, definitely moving west towards South America there. So again, this is less strong, but you still see this is really strong still. see that black there and that purple, that indicates really strong. It's kind of calming down a little bit now, but it definitely could intensify again. Now let's go take a look here, all the track information on that. So again, this is the track for Gonzalo here. So again, this is not going to make a direct hit for South America, which is a good thing. And this could be a hurricane in from about 2 p.m. Thursday all the way to about 2 p.m. Saturday at least. It will be a hurricane. Right now it's a tropical storm, but then it will weaken to a tropical storm again by 2 p.m. Saturday all the way to 2 p.m. Monday as the latest we see on our track here. That is the current track. And you see all those time frames there. That's where the place will be. Looks like it's hitting islands here near 2 p.m. Saturday near South America. So South America coast, you guys are definitely in the track. So this is the current wind. So again, it will weaken, but definitely see those really strong winds right here in this area here specifically. Those islands could get really strong rain. Definitely, this is way weaker. You can tell why this is not a hurricane right now. Definitely way weaker winds, not purple, but definitely really strong winds along with this and rainfall. So that is the track for that information. Again, this is the now let's go take a look here, shift gears again, and look at disturbance 1, which now has an 80% chance of formation, just now updated by the National Hurricane Center. So again, this is not a tropical storm or a hurricane like Douglas and Gonzalo, but it is it's a disturbance and it's near the US, and it's a very good thing that this is not a hurricane or a tropical storm here, but this is a disturbance which bring heavy rainfall to mainly parts of Texas here. Texas, you guys are in a direct hit, but you guys shouldn't get that bad of things. But again, that is the only track we have here by the National Hurricane Center for disturbance 1. An 80% chance of it doing some kind of tropical disturbance here. But yes, that is the latest updates on the tropics. Again, that's about it. Wrap it up for today's video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Share this with any friends that may be in the path of this, any friends that may live in Hawaii, just so they know they will get strong storms. Now, if you live in Hawaii, don't be scared that, oh, your house might be destroyed by really strong winds. You might see damage, but it's not going to be like a hurricane. It's supposed to weaken to a tropical storm before it hits you, so that's a good thing. But stay safe, stay weather aware, leave a like, subscribe, comment. If you have any weather questions, I should be able to answer them, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!